Hello everyone, this is Anaish. I am 14 years old and I am learning Premiere Pro from my father, who is a professional video editor, and I also wanna be the one too. So today he taught me how to blur anything in Premiere Pro, and I am going to show you guys how to do it exactly so you can do it yourself. Now we can do it by right clicking in the project panel, selecting new item and adjustment layer. Now I am going to drag the adjustment layer over here and I am going to search Gaussian blur, and I am going to put the Gaussian blur effect to this adjustment layer. Now I am going to effect controls panel and I can simply increase the blurriness from here. Now it is done. But instead we want our blurriness to fade out and fade in. For this purpose we have to go to effect controls panel and click on this adjustment layer. We have to go to the point where we want our video to be fully blurred, and here we are gonna do the blurriness to 100 or like whatever you want, and we are gonna add a keyframe here. Now we are going to move the margin line a bit backward, and here I am going to change my blurriness to 0 or like whatever I want. Now you can just check it. We can also adjust these keyframes like this. I can move it a bit further or like closer to this keyframe like this. If we move this keyframe forward, our video will slowly blur, but if I move this keyframe forward to this or like closer to this keyframe, our video will suddenly blur. No changes would be felt, but you can do whatever you want. Like this, you can also do this. That was it. I hope you won't find it difficult and my video helps you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.